Alright guys, you might find this can be the hardest part, trying to get these screws in. So what you got to do is, you got to tilt this all the way down. Look, we've actually used the glue tack, which I think I would prefer to use silicone, because silicone doesn't give it that much gap. But anyway, if you can get it in with the glue tack, then it should be fine. As I mentioned, as well as some of the fitters, best to use a bit of silicone, but not too much, just so you can make sure you get this part in. And then you can just rock it a little bit. And now we're just putting on the little light on the back. And guys, this is the version 2 Cobra 4x4 Canopy. So we've updated them, we've added some extra lights, and we've decided to stick with aluminium with thicker powder coating, you know, so it can last longer, no corrosion. And these have the vents. I'm not sure about your experience, but some canopies, I'm talking about the fiberglass ones, if you don't have a vent, what happens is your back window can explode, and it's happened to me once. And yeah, you might think it's like some type of attack if you're at home, but yeah, when it's hot, pressure gets in there and explodes. So that's great because they've got a vent, so you should be all right with that.